Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix notification sounds not working on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue, so guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to make sure that the do not disturb mode is not enabled. If it is enabled, then you have to just simply disable the do not disturb mode and check if your problem is fixed or not. If you still have this problem, then you have to make sure that your volume is up and then check if your problem is fixed or not. If you still have this problem, then you have to just simply open settings, scroll down and then tap on notifications and make sure that the all toggle should be allowed from here. So guys, after checking this, then you have to just simply again go back and check if your problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply go to the app and then select the app which you are facing the problem, and then you have to just simply tap on here notifications and make sure that allow notification is enabled from here. If it is disabled, then you have to just simply enable it and check if your problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply force restart your device for one time. For that, press and release the volume up and volume down button and keep holding the power button until the Apple logo appears. So guys, do this and after that check if your problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply open the journal, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset and reset your all setting for one time, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.